Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Delivered your speech at this conference. What was your main message?
The main message was about action. I always say on behalf of the Malawi government that action is what we are looking for. We have been attending such meetings, but not much action has happened. It is good that we came here to discuss issues of being landlocked and challenges that we are facing so that we can find solutions to such problems. But then, what we discuss is not action. What we agree is not action. What we say from it is not action. Action is what we do. So I was calling upon member states to focus on action and verifiable indicators that can point to the deliverables than coming to meetings of this time to deliberate, go back home and no action.
How beneficial is this conference to a common man in Malawi?
It is beneficial because what happens between, for example, Malawi and Dar es Salaam, Tanga, Nakala, Beira, or even Durban affects Malawian, because the challenges that we encounter to access the ports are felt in the pricing of the commodities that Malawi gets. And this trickles down to the common man, trickles down to the Malawian. So it is very, very important that we should discuss these challenges, see how they can be resolved, to make Malawi leverage on the bilateral and multilateral cooperation with the other stakeholders in dealing with such huge challenges.
You also presided over the signing of a protocol between Malawi and Turkmenistan. How important is this signing?
It is important. Turkmenistan has a number of areas where Malawi can learn from. One of them is education. But if there is no agreement whatsoever, if there is no MOU, it is very difficult to get help, because there will be no reference points that will guide the cooperation. So the framework within which the transactions can be managed are guided by what has been signed. So it is very critical that we sign MOUs of this time.
Social media from yesterday was awash with some news of a bloated team that you've come here with. What is your comment on that?
Well, first of all, I want to make it very, very clear that whether I should say the author or the presenter of the document, influencer Mr. Atolankhani, should not be faulted for publishing that document. He has done absolutely nothing wrong. It is good to do what he has done, because he is attempting to hold us responsible and accountable. It is therefore important for leaders like me to explain. Leaders are not only there to be fighting tests.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.